Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to leave a workspace in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, you can choose your workspace. Choose the workspace that you want to leave, then click to the workspace name on the top. Then this type of drop-down menu will appear in your screen. Hover your mouse to Tools and Settings. From here you can go to Workspace Settings. Then it will redirect you to this kind of page. In Setting option, scroll down to the bottom. From here you can see Leave option. Since I am the owner of the workspace, I cannot leave my workspace. Rather, I can delete my workspace. But if you are just a member of the workspace, you can see a leave option. If you don't have this leave option here, you can just go to the owner of your workspace, then ask to remove you from the workspace. This is how you can leave a workspace in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.